In the last video, we wrote our first Java program and executed it. We saw that the program printed "Hello Ravens" on the computer screen, that is the console window. But the code looks unfamiliar, right? I understand that you haven't seen such things before, but no need to worry. We'll undergo the journey of understanding the code word by word, and you'll be understanding it very well. And at the end, it will be very familiar to you. So stay in this video today and we'll be understanding the structure of our first Java program, that is the hello.java. Hello Ravens, this is Ritesh, you're watching Spunky Quark. Let's roll in with the intro. So why did we write the Hello Ravens program as our first program of Java? In the programmer's world, there are certain traditions that we follow, like the Hello World program that we write as our first program in any programming language when we start with our programming journey. So Hello World is the first program that we write and execute. So we also wrote our Hello Ravens program. We didn't include the world in it, but Ravens. I like to call you guys as Ravens. Ravens are the smartest and intelligent creatures on this planet that can fly high. So that is the reason we wrote Hello World or Hello Raven as our first Java program. So now let's get into the code structure. So here you can see the code that we wrote, and here there are different words like class, Hello Ravens, public, static, void, main, and all others. Among these words, most of them are predefined words of Java that are called the keywords. So in this case, class, public, static, void, these are the keywords in Java. But Hello Ravens is not a keyword here. It's a name that we have provided to the class or the block. This name could be anything. It can be your name, it can be name of the place that you live in. It can be name of your favorite pet. It can be name of anything. So here class is a keyword which creates a class inside the Java program. And after that, we give a name, like I said, Hello Ravens. So class Hello Ravens with the curly braces. So you see this these starting and ending curly braces. These curly braces define a block. So whatever is inside these curly braces, they are considered as a part of the class. Inside this we have a method main. The name of the method is main. Method is nothing but the behavior or functionality which we'll be discussing later. We'll be discussing in detail about classes, about methods, and about all the keywords in detail in the future videos. But for now, we're just undergoing what all these things are. In the same way, public, static, void are the keywords that we can't customize and rename. They should be there. They should be used as they are defined in Java. But we can again here change args because that's a argument. We can customize it, we can give it another name. And in the next line you see that there is a line that says system.out.println, and inside the parenthesis with the double quotes it's written Hello Ravens with 3 exclamatory signs. That's the message that we want to print on our computer screen. And this line system.out.println tells the JVM to print this line Hello Ravens with 3 exclamatory sign on our computer screen. And that's how we get our output. So when we execute the bytecode of Java program, the JVM first searches for a class which contains a main method, and then it starts executing the program from the main method. So that is what we wrote in our program. We gave instructions to the JVM that, hey JVM, take this code and print Hello Ravens for me on the screen. In the last video when we wrote and executed our first program, I forgot to show you the bytecode of Java. So in this video, I'll show you what the bytecode of Java contains. Earlier we executed and we got this bytecode hello ravens.class, right? So let me open this, and inside this bytecode you can see there is something very weird written. We can't understand it, right? But the JVM can. Now let's once more see the output of the program. So here is the output that we got after writing this program. So this was the program. This was the bytecode we got, and this is the output that we finally got after executing the program. So that is all for today, Ravens. If you enjoyed the video and understood the code structure, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any doubt, comment it down and I'll be replying to your comments as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of future videos. With that, this is Ritesh rolling out for the next video. Till then, learn, code and reload.